Ah, hello and welcome. I'm the awful chef. I want to eat, so I better make something. Today we're doing something terribly exciting. Franks and beans. Well, Italian sausage and beans. And a little extras. So, what do I got? Oh, I got a pan full of lightly browned Italian sausages, some garlic, and some oil. You'll notice the pan is not on the heat on my electric stove because I'm going to add some wine. Let's do this without too much drama. Yeah, Franks and beans with a healthy slug of red wine and some spicy Italian sausages. Okay, back on the heat. Let's cook that down a little bit. Yeah, every once in a while it's just good to get back to Franks and beans or sausages and beans. Have something just hearty and wonderful and savory. I don't know how better to describe it. Okay, you see by the plume of steam that the alcohol is boiling off nicely. And the wine is reducing nicely. Yes, the garlic was a bit browned on this. Oh, hello. Which was not entirely ideal, but not too bad. Given the massive amount of flavors we've got going on, we should be good. Okay. So, what else? How about some chopped red bell pepper? Roasted and peeled. So a jar of red bell peppers. In this case, about half of one because there are only two of us. And we've only got 3 sausages. So half a jar of roasted red bell pepper. And a can of beans. Today I'm using butter beans. Happen to have those in the pantry. Drained but not rinsed. We want the stock. We want the bean starch to act as a thickener. I cannot talk today. Okay, let's throw in a can of cherry tomatoes. Oh my goodness. Stopped by the import store and got the Italian ones. Ooh, sexy. Okay. Well, the Italian ones come in a heavy tomato sauce, not juice, which will cook down quite nicely. Okay. And of course, it would not be the awful chef show without some chicken stock in a box. I will not be joining you this time. Much to my displeasure, I have other things going on today. Okay, a little bit of that to get the last out of there. And that, some bay leaves, which do add quite a bit of flavor if they're properly tended. Mine are getting old, which means their flavor is decreasing dramatically, so I have to put in 2. So, magic. What do I do now? Wait for it to heat up. It's done. Let me adjust my magic camera angle so you see my filthy, filthy kitchen. and see that this pan of food, which smells magnificent by the way, is going to cook down and thicken and then be what we call dinner. Serve that up with a bit of French bread and call it a day. So I'm the Awful Chef. Please subscribe. Yes, this is social media. We must be social animals. Thank you and goodbye.